Welcome to the most stress-free, drama-free, and judgment-free zone you will ever come across on YouTube. At least I like to think so. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, and welcome. Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glambag Plus and the Ipsy regular Glam Bag. Two different prices. I put them up head to head, let you guys know which bag came out on top. As you guys know, Haley and I always do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Actually, on both of these, hers is not in yet, but the video for our Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, mother versus daughter, will already be up by the time this video goes live. So maybe I'll pop a thumbnail up here or something like that. So at the end of this video, you guys can jump over there and see which box came out on top. Like I said, stay tuned, because once her bag comes in, we will definitely be doing another mother versus daughter Ipsy Glam Bag edition, and there will be no Sephora play this month, mother versus daughter. Unfortunately, they are no more. So leave us all the ideas down below on maybe a potential another subscription where we could go head to head and they go based off of profile, all of that stuff. So like I told you guys, this is a judgment drama-free zone where we always embrace the hot mess. I upload 5 days a week over here, Monday through Friday at 12:15. Hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe. If you are curious about this eye look, I do have or plan to have a video go up over on my Instagram, IGTV. If you want to follow me over there, you guys, I've been telling you guys I've been trying to grow my following on Instagram, so I will pop it up over here. I would love to have you guys not only subscribe over here, but check me out over on Instagram. And let's go ahead and jump into this, because I've already made the video. We're like 3 minutes in and I haven't unboxed anything. Anyways guys, if you guys are new to Ipsy, Ipsy has 3 different tiers of monthly subscription that is available. Now fortunately, because of donations through Patreon, as well as you guys using my links, I use the commissions from the links to put right back into the channel. Same with the Patreon donation. So because of those donations, I do purchase Ipsy to bag for you guys. Now like I said, this is a monthly subscription. This particular bag is $12 a month. I have not opened this one. It is profile based, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I will tell you guys, I do fib on my profile, because yes, I'm going to tell you guys, it's good to lie about your age when it comes to your Ipsy profile, because you get better things. Just saying, if you want your money's worth, say you're in your mid-20s, I'm just saying, because when I was truthful, I got poo. And every single month, legitimately for like 8 months, Haley always had a better bio. So here's what the bag looks like. Like I said, this is $12 a month. So this is what the bag looks like. Definitely spring. It's really cute. Faux leather. So let's go ahead and jump in. You do typically get a little card in here, and it just says get that glow on here. It does say save the date, choose a product, and then it does have times and everything for add-ons. I will tell you guys, add-ons is a really good way. For example, like today, I purchased a little $3 add-on for the Glam Bag Plus, and I got the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Foundation. So this is what is on my face today, but it's a good way to like try out new things. So anyways, it doesn't tell me what is in my bag, so let's jump in and let's see. The first item I see is by Purely's. This is a Matcha Green Tea Lemon Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. You guys know that I've been on a skincare journey for probably 2+ years now, and I'm all about self-care. I love to, like, even with having my teenagers and stuff, I'm like, let's mask. If you guys follow me again on Instagram, you'll see we mask. So I'm excited to try this out. It gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates and purifies the skin. Love the sound of that. Moving right along, the next item I see is by Estate Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. This is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out now, because I do not have highlight on. I realized, oh no, it is busted. I'm not going to open it. I'll probably just repress it. It looks to be really pretty. It's in the shade Bi. Hold on, there's some of it on the outside. Let's see if we can swatch it. That's not real radiant. Oh, maybe it is. Well, that's a bummer. You can't really see it. I'm gonna repress this. Okay, moving right along. This is Peach Blossom Lasting Smiles. Smiles for a Cause, supports global water projects. It is a chapstick. That's always nice to have. I mean, I'm not mad about that. And Peach Blossom, let's open her up. Whoa. That smells like the perfect amount of spring and summer. I love this. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is by Tarte. This is the H2o Gloss. There is, oh yeah, there is a shade. Hang 10. Look how cute this gloss is. I love the minis. I love the minis. This is actually really similar to what I have on my lips right now. Should I open it? I think I may put this in a giveaway. Just saying, my birthday is next month, and you guys know I love to do giveaways, and I have a big surprise for you guys next month, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on it. Turn on that notification bell, because like I said, you don't want to miss out. Ooh, and then the last thing is Roller Lash. This is in the shade Black. This is actually my 14-year-old's favorite mascara. She cannot get enough of it. She uses the brown shade, but I really, really like this mascara. I actually haven't used it in a while, so I'm always happy to receive this. Okay, so that is everything in the $12 bag. I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end. Let's go ahead and jump into the Ipsy Glambag Plus. Now, this is $25 a month plus tax, so it comes for me to be about $26.50. And again, thank you to our Patreons. Thank you to my viewers for using my magic links, my affiliate links down below in my description box, because like I said, all of those commissions and donations I put right back into the channel to give you guys reviews and unboxings. So let's go ahead and jump into the first item here. This is Sugar Rush by Tarte, and it is a pack of 3 of their brushes. This is what it looks like. And this actually, I went ahead and I did not get a card that tells me each and everything as well as the retail value in this box, so I went through and I checked online to get the prices. Actually, if you go to your Ipsy app, it will give you the retail value of everything in here. So these had a retail value of $19. Let me show you guys what they look like. They're actually really cute. They came packaged really cute. I unboxed them first with HAILEY'S, so if you guys saw that video, you saw them, you know, they were in a cute little tissue paper. But look how precious these are. So these are the brushes. You get 3 different brushes. The white one is a Stay Sharp, it says. Then the pink one is Write Your Story, and the yellow is a Go Getter, is what they say. But look at this. Look how cute that is. They're like a pencil. Isn't that precious? I just thought these were so cute. Obviously, because they were white, I didn't want to dirty them up when I unboxed them for you guys. So I will definitely try them out, test them out, let you guys know my thoughts on how well they work. But I thought $19 for like Sugar Rush, not too mad about it, which we did see Sugar Rush in our Boxycharm Premium, and I have to say, you guys, I have been going ham in this little thing. I love it. And my sniffer's working today. There's actually like a sweet little like cupcake cocoa scent, vanilla scent, something. Guess it's still not working. Anywho, I do want to show you guys the Glambag Plus does come with its own little mini makeup bag. Now, for a while there, we were getting a larger size bag with this box, but they have definitely sized down, and they're about the size, if not a smidgen smaller, than the Glambag $12. So, but this little tassel is pretty cute. Next, I did receive the Wonder Beauty. This is like a brow gel. This does have a retail value of $22, and it is a nice, like, natural, clear brow gel. Not mad about it. Do enjoy it. Moving right along, the next thing we got, y'all, this has a retail value. Are you guys ready for this? I thought it was a little odd. $52.88. I'm like, $52.88, huh? So this is Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. It's a pH balance, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing mask. So you do get a good, you know, decent size of it, but for $52.88 for 1 fluid ounce, this better make my skincare dreams come true. I'm just saying, because honestly, it's filled to about here. So for $52.88, I'm expecting a lot out of you. I'm just saying. So anyways, next I did receive the Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. And I will tell you guys, I'm not going to swatch this because I am going to put this in a future giveaway. But it's a nice little compact. It does have a retail value of $22. So here are the shades in here. Here, I'll remove the plastic. So there is the palette. Cute palette, has a mirror in there. Really pretty shades. And I will tell you guys, I do have a couple of the Colored Rain palettes, the full size, like what's it called, Queen of Hearts, and there's another one, and I do like the formula in there. So like I said, there will be a future giveaway. You don't want to miss out. That had a retail value of $22. And then the last item in here is by Tarte. It's the Tardis, and this is the mascara. Now this was a choice. You do get to pick one item in your Ipsy Glambag Plus. Not, I don't believe you do in your $12 bag, but in the Plus you do. And I chose the Tardis mascara. Now I have used this in the past and I really enjoyed it. It's been a while since I have tried it, so I'm excited to like bust right into it. I will tell you guys, I've got a concoction of mascara on my eyes today. Like I said, I have everything listed over on my Instagram, but I have like three different things on my lashes today. But I'm telling you, I'm loving this little concoction of stuff. So that is everything in the Glam Bag Plus for May. $26.50 when you count tax. And everything came to a total of $138.88. I will have to say, if I am looking at the $12 bag and the $24 bag, I do feel like I actually like the Plus better this month. I don't think the $12 bag was bad. I got some cute things in there. I am a little sad that one came busted. I'm sure if I email them, they would probably send me a new one. Oh, I don't know though. When I'm going back and I'm looking, this $12 bag was actually really good. This bag was really good. If I like get over the fact this was busted, the mascara, the lip gloss, the chapstick, the mask, it's actually a really good bag, especially for $12. Ugh. Hold on. Now I gotta think. Oh. Do I? Okay, you know what? We're gonna call it a tie because I'm queen of being wishy-washy. Just saying, that's how I'm feeling today. I'm all over the place. The AC is out. We're waiting on our AC guy to come. Actually, by the time you see this video, hopefully the AC is working because I'm too fluffy not to have AC. I need the air. So anyways guys, that is all for today's video. I'm gonna just call it a tie. I think both bags were actually pretty good for the month of May, so good job, Ipsy. You're coming through, and I'm excited to see what they do over the summer. Like I said, thank you for the donations, Patreons. I love all of you guys. Thank you if you choose to use my links or affiliate links down in my description box below or in my pinned comment section. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, goes right back into the channel for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, become part of the Hot Mess Express family, where we always embrace the hot mess. We have a good old time chit-chatting about makeup and remembering that it is in fact only makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. So hit that notification bell. Be ready for June because June is my birthday month. We're gonna have a good old time and I can't wait to show you guys what I have planned. So anyways guys, I'm hopping off for now. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!